What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, it is time to head to the city. It's time to get these parts pretty much gathered up and taken to the paint shop. We don't know the color yet, but however, bro should have a color for us today. I'm gonna call him when I'm down there, so we'll get that situated. At least we'll get that paint set dropped off so Antonio can get cracking. By the time that's done, we should have our bags in for the orange bike. After that, we'll be getting ready to drop them off to Antonio when we pick that paint set up. So we just about to head out to the city, man, gather up all these parts and stuff, load up the car, and get up out of here, man. We're not taking the bike this go around. So we just out there on a quick mission, man. So let's do what we gotta do and get this thing done. Alrighty, man, we in that gas saver. We got all our stuff. We got our gas tank, we got our bags, rear fender, wrap around, inner and outer fairing, some more parts and tools and stuff. But we good to go, man. So let's put this little 35 in there and head to the city, dog. Alrighty, guys. Just getting to the city. Just left from seeing my guy who's making my stuff. Let's go pull up on a homie real quick and see what's good.
And I was just telling that girl, man, I'm not buying no tickets. No, I ain't buying no tickets because I ain't gonna win nothing.
Yeah.
And when I was telling her that, you called me the first time and then you called and it's wrong. I said, I don't know who that is. I ain't gonna answer that. And you hung up. And you called right back. And then she said, pick the phone up. And when I picked it up, it was you.
That's crazy.
And I didn't even believe it, man. That was crazy. It all went just full circle just that quick.
That's wild, man. You see how stuff work, man?
Man, hey, man, you was a blessing. I'm telling you, you was a blessing. It came right around in time.
No, man, I just appreciate, I appreciate your support, man. So that's the least I could do, man.
Yeah, and man, your stuff gonna continue to get big, man. It's gonna go bigger and bigger, man. I just appreciate that. Shit, you know, you came through, you know, like you say, people don't be believing. Everybody, even people that I told I didn't want, they keep saying, oh, you probably got tricked. You probably,
yeah.
Everybody got something to say.
Yeah, nah, they gonna see it when we pull up and hit your block, man, on that joint, man. You already know. I'm telling you.
Man, you showed, man. I appreciate you, bro. I swear, I really appreciate you.
Yeah, no doubt, man. We gonna get you right, man. I can't wait to slide out there. You know, I got people from the South too, so I'm planning on hitting Memphis and all that while I'm over there, man. So I can't wait, dude. I'm trying to get this thing done by like next week. Yes, sir, man. Just made it down to the city. Put up on my boy Dre, man. We here at the shop, man. I have to come get these bags detached real quick. The bags and the gas tank. Well, not the gas tank, but just take all that stuff off the rear fender. Because when we get back, we got a whole bunch of new parts that's going on that new fender. So none of that we're going to use anyway. But need to take these bags apart. And dang, he got this green mocked up on that joint, dog. That rear fender is there. It's on there looking good. I'm digging that. I'm digging that, man. Okay, we got the black pieces. Yeah, that definitely changed it up. That green is on there looking good, man. About to get it mocked up sooner than later. But I gotta get these bags detached, man. Because these things is heading to Arkansas. Alrighty, man, we done got these bags detached. We got the saddlebag, little latches or whatever we're gonna paint, or color match rather. And the winner ended up choosing like a blue that's on like the newer Harley. So I'll show you guys in the picture. But we have this rear fender here. We got all buzzed down too. So gonna get this to Antonio and see what he can do, man. Meanwhile, my boy over here getting this Road King together, man. We should be able to get a start here pretty soon, man. About to get these little parts going. But y'all see what's happening, man. Alrighty, guys. Got everything loaded back up, ready to go. But before we hit Antonio's, man, I want to go get these bars for the CVO. They already got some on standby, man. So I'm about to go see what they got real quick and go get them. Alrighty, so we just got our Triple G bars, 18 for the CVO. Can't wait to throw these things on, dog. All right, just pulled up to Tonio's, man. What is your day off or what? Oh, late last night. Oh, okay. I already put the paint stuff over here. Yeah, it's already over here. So, Antonio getting to work. Same thing, bag lids. The only thing extra this time is just these go like on the outside, so color matched. You know, rear fender. Oh, on this one, are you able to cover up these holes right here?
This one, no?
Yeah, cover 1, 2, 3.
Okay. And this one?
Yeah, if you can cover it up, that too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all this down here, cover up. And then front fender's good. There's no damage on this. Should be good. Yeah. You know, the front, inner, and then the outer. Side covers. Antonio in here getting cracking. Whoo! This what you sprayed yesterday, last night? Ooh. Yeah, that looks great. That looks great. It got me slurring and all that. It's definitely bright. What color did you have to paint it first? White first? Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks good. Alrighty, Nana, we got everything out the car. Got our bars up in that joint. Powder coated black. Can't wait to throw them things on, dog. Man, my boy done got this motherfucker running. The fuck is going on, man? Oh, snaps. Yes, sir. Game time. Man, I just heard this thing. I'm like, what the heck? I told you. Yeah, sir, you know what's going on. Got this thing running. I told y'all. Hey, that's funny. Didn't I tell y'all, man? I'm like, he about to get this thing started. This dude, nah, man, I don't know, man. Meanwhile, my boy over here getting this road king together, man. We should be able to get a start here pretty soon, man. About to get these little parts going. I don't know, dog. There it is. That thing sound good, too. I swear, we be catching them first startups, boy. That's 2 for 2. It sound good, though. That's dope. That's dope.
Excited.
What you say?
Excited.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Let's hear this thing again, man. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. You hear that rumble in the jungle, dog. Got that rumble in the jungle back there, dog. Sound good, too. Oh, yeah, hit them ear things. It probably got to charge up or something. That's crazy. That's crazy. It sounds good. That's wild. This thing been sitting, dog. That's wild. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Gotta have some faith, man. Gotta have some faith. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, man, we done made it back to the house. I was tired as heck last night, so I didn't even get no outro. But, guys, without further ado, man, the Road Glide, the tickets is sold out. You guys showed out 20 hours. All the tickets were sold, man. The lists are up right now, guys. If you guys purchased a ticket and you guys want to see your number, make sure you head over to the community post and see all the lists. You don't have to email me. Just go to the YouTube community post and I have the list of everybody's name on there. So that's that. As for this, man, we got our bars and stuff yesterday. So I'm going to pretty much load this thing up and try to get these bars and stuff situated like ASAP, because these bars is cool, but I know once I put them joints on there, it's going to be a whole different feel. Look, we got to get them out the car. Let's check them out because we didn't even really check them out yesterday. Are our bars for it right here. Big 18s. They like the hammer. That's what they call it. Big 18-inch hammers. Going to go right on this daddy-o. Give it that look we want. That pull back a little bit. Be good to go. Once we get these bars on there, it's literally just waiting for the bags. The bags are here, guys. We got like some CVO style bags. So those should look good. Now, I know most of you guys were like, man, the fishtails and stuff are so nice. Now, I can't lie. They are pretty nice. I'm just not used to the fishtail look, but they sound so amazing. I don't even want to touch it, to be honest with you. Just for cracks and laughs, man, I might put the stock pipe on there just to see how it flows up. Because I know once those stretched bags come with the stock pipes, it looks freaking amazing. Now, the stretch bags in these pipes, I don't know. They might not look too good, but we'll see what happens and how it goes. Also, we did already order our 21-inch, this same exact wheel, but in a 21-inch. Y'all know I don't ride these small wheels. So this front wheel will be coming off. We'll be keeping our rotor and everything. And then our wheel should be done in about a week or two. So that'll be cool. Oh, yeah. Custom vehicle operations, man. So y'all get ready for that one. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We went to the city, got some stuff done on the other bike, broke the silver bike down, got that thing in the paint, so that thing is getting painted. We should be seeing that color pretty soon. The winner did choose a blue, like a blue that's on the Mustangs and stuff like that. So we'll see how that comes out. As for the orange bike, man, I can't wait to get these bars on there today, man. That's my goal for today, man. So you guys already know the red bike is sold out. All the tickets are gone, so we'll be raffling that one either today or tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. This bike is going to Arkansas, and then after we deliver the Road Glide, this one will be up, man. So stay tuned and get it going, dog. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though, man. Peace.